It's about really just dialing in one or two patterns. That's really it. Just dialing in one or two patterns and just sticking with it and only executing when they develop. And then saying to yourself, until I get to the end of 20 trading days straight and or 50 log trades, then I'm not going to complain or say a word. The worst thing to do, guys, is put 90%, 80%, 70% effort into something you are doing, then at the end of it, give up knowing that you did not give it your all. Because that last 30, 20, 10% that you could have given could have been the difference between where you are now and where you could be. And that shit always going to bring you back. I've had so many people, more students join back to trade in the concepts that I teach than to new students joining. I don't like saying students, mentees joining, because they've used it. It has worked. They've seen that it has worked. They've left and gone and traded something else because of that shiny object syndrome shit. And then they've come back. And I know why they've come back. Because they probably put 70, 80, 90% in it, and then they didn't put that final 10%. And I'm a big believer in that in terms of dieting, in terms of relationships, in terms of everything. Give it 100% so at the end of it, you have zero regrets and you know you've done everything you could to make it work. Because the worst thing you want to be walking around with is doubt, because doubt creates hesitation. So in terms of hesitation, we can link that back to what we're doing here. If you're hesitating, then you clearly haven't done enough due diligence in terms of creating a plan that is thorough. You haven't clearly understood the process as much as you should understand it. Maybe you do, maybe you've complicated it. Maybe you just need to refresh yourself on it. Maybe you have attempted to use the plan that you've put in place that is absolutely written in perfect grammar and formation, but you haven't applied yourself 100% to it. Maybe you have, but you haven't given it 20 days as you're supposed to, and you've only given it 20. Maybe you're trading too many patterns and not enough dialed in setups. That all creates that hesitation.